could give the Lord the thanks, so for the sake of love, oh, baby, leave it about the bad, and I give it about the baba. Oh, for your sake, I could kill you, show you love that you never seen before. For like you give me love, oh, now you are the playboy, no. Now you the catch my shot, oh. For your sake, I go touch you. We go drive around before my Porsche.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this was not supposed to be a voiceover, but I was recording the video and I didn't realize that the audio was so bad because I was doing it during daytime and it's like the worst time to do videos where I live because it's super busy outside and it's just noisy. But anyway, we're going to be doing this video. It is basically a review. I'm just going to show you the LA Girls matte foundation. As you can see, that's what we're using today. That's what I'm reviewing, and I'm going to be doing a little wear time test, you know, and give you a little vlog. Not really vlog, but yeah. So I'm going to be using the LA Girls matte foundation, and this is their newest foundation. I think it was like released like maybe a month ago or so. I don't remember. But if you are in tune with my channel, you know that I love the illuminating foundation. That's from the LA Girls. And my shade was in, for the illuminating foundation, it was coffee. Yeah. But for this one, the matte foundation, my shade was cappuccino. Yeah, it was not really my shade per se, but it was like the only shade that was next to the darkest shade, and you know, somehow it worked for me. I can work with it, but you know, hopefully in the future they will, you know, expand their, you know, shade range, and yeah, so it can facilitate other people, you know, mixed and so forth. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really so into this whole foundation, you know, whatever, because I don't know, sometimes I just end up like, it's just lucky that I can find my shade sometimes. Yeah. But guys, this foundation, it is a matte foundation. I have combination skin, mostly dry skin, especially during winter. Yeah, but I have combination skin, so I have like a oily T-zone and everywhere else is dry, and sometimes my forehead is dry and cracky and it looks awful. So yeah, I really like this foundation, the fact that it is matte and it is summer, so you know it's hot and stuff like that. So I really like this for this purpose, the matte. I am so all over this place, sorry about that guys. But anyway, as you can see, I use the brush to just buff in the foundation, and this foundation is literally my shade. As you can see, it fits perfectly. I'm not using any form of lighting. I'm using natural light because I wanted to use daylight so I can actually see my real like color payoff. This foundation is matching me perfectly, as you can see, and I'm in love with it. Easy to blend out. I use the brush to blend it out, and yeah, and I'm just adding like small pumps, like a little dot, not adding a lot. Like I think if I was supposed to add, like use one squeeze, the pump, it would be like 2 pumps, you know, after doing all those small little dots on my face. I basically use like around 2 pumps or a pump, I don't know. But yeah, but this foundation, I wouldn't say it is full coverage right at the get-go. I would say it is like medium to full coverage. But if you don't have a lot of things, like a lot of blemishes or acne marks and so forth to cover, it won't be a problem. But if you have a lot to cover, then you're gonna have to try to build it up, you know what I'm saying? And it's also important that you color correct because it actually takes away some of the foundation. So I basically use my orange corrector from the LA Girls, same LA Girls, because LA Girls almost is like my favorite brand because it's so affordable and it actually works for me because I don't ask for a lot. in like foundation and so forth, because you know I don't really live in foundation, to be honest. Like I don't wear foundation on a daily basis. I only use a little concealer. That's pretty much it. But this foundation, guys, I love it. Applying it, it is matte, so you have to like move really fast when applying it. I didn't use a sponge to apply it, because I don't apply foundation with a sponge. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't make any sense for me to apply the foundation with a sponge, because I don't do it, even though, you know, I'm making the video for everybody to see. But yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to use a brush, because you know, and plus I was kind of lazy to do the sponge. I was thinking about doing the sponge, but I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do a sponge, so I just decided to use a brush. But as you can see, I'm showing you, it matches very, very nicely with my neck and my face, because I match my foundation to my neck because I have super hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I'm working on it, but I try to match my foundation to my neck. And guys, as you can see, I don't have any problems with it. It is going on very nice. I feel happy, I feel pleased, as you can see on my face. I don't have any problems with it. I am happy, I am pleased, and yeah, pretty much. what else should I say? It's very nice. Look at my face. You see, I'm so pleased. Like, I love how it looks on my skin, and it's so soft, guys. It feels like powder. When it has this like velvet finish. It's just so nice. And as you can see, I was like so happy with the finish, because I just love, the thing is, guys, I love when I add foundation to my face or anything to my face and it doesn't feel heavy. Whenever anything gets heavy on my skin, it just annoys me, because I know that I'm not gonna wear this for a long time. So if I have like a foundation and it's too heavy on my face, I know I'm not gonna wear it. But this, guys, is really nice, and I'm just looking at my face right now, because I was like, wow, this is pretty, this is really, really nice. And let me not talk too much, because it's not necessary. So yeah, guys, this is my finished look. As I said before, this is like a natural look, everyday look. We're just going to test out the foundation to see how good it is, to see how flawless it is. And as I said before, guys, my audio was super bad, so I couldn't, you know, continue with this audio. But anyway, I went in with for my eyeshadow, I used the Saharan 2 palette, and I used this nude shade for my eyes. Then I went in my LA Girls Glam kit, the brick blush kit, and I used some of the bronzer to just bronze up my cheek. Then I went in with a little of my glitter lip gloss. And yeah, we're finished, all ready to go. I washed my hair today, so that's the reason why I'm wearing. I usually wash my hair whenever I'm filming. So that's the reason, most time that's the reason why I have like a head wrap. But this is my finished look. Gonna be doing a wear time test, so you're gonna be seeing me, you know, in the process of the day and so forth. I'm gonna do like 5 or 6 hours, because that's how long I actually wear foundation on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna take you with me.
Okay, guys,
yeah.
So this is my skin, this is my face. It's not looking so bad. I'm heading to the supermarket, so yeah, this is how it looks so far. It is approximately 3.5 hours since I have added my foundation, so it doesn't really look too bad. You can see it doesn't look drying, just looks fresh and nice. Yeah, so yeah, I love it actually. And I'm not sure if this is what do you say again? I'm not sure if this is different from any of my like foundations or whatever. But the only difference that I noticed is the fact that I didn't have to like powder my face a lot. You know? Usually with the other one, with the dewy one, the illuminating one, I would have to like powder. For example, if I'm adding it, I would have to powder because it's like super dewy. Yeah, but I kind of like that, to be honest, because I have dry skin. But this one, I didn't have to powder a lot, and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't feel like I have a lot of product on my face. You know what I'm saying? Just feels free, and I feel refreshed, and I feel like I am wearing my second skin. What am I talking about? It feels as though I am wearing my natural skin and not makeup. So that's pretty good. And I am so glowing and not makeup. So that's pretty good. And I am so glowing. We're getting, we got avocado. What's this? No, I'm not gonna. Super cheap. Gonna get some lettuce. Favorite rock. Everything here is cheap. Okay. Oh, this is like 120. We'll have that. Okay. Onion. What's this? Cheap. Can make some vegetable. I'll buy this. Oh, shrimp. Okay. Oh. My favorite section. So guys, this is how the foundation looks. It's been 5.5 hours, so you know. Still looking nice. It's giving me this healthy glow. Yeah, I think I'm getting a little bit oily around my nose, but it's nice. Still pretty after 5.5 hours. And I didn't blot, I didn't touch up, I didn't do anything. Not nice.
But guys, this is my face after 8 hours. Not bad. I would give this foundation an 8 out of 10. Very nice. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.